Today I'm coming at you from the ice caves of New Mexico, and we're gonna climb a volcano. RoamTownGirl here, bringing you more fun times from the road. In this video, we're gonna be at another New Mexico roadside attraction, and this time it's extreme. We're gonna be going from a volcano to an ice cave. It's definitely one of the coolest, pun intended, and craziest things I've ever seen. And along the way, you're gonna see what almost stopped me in my tracks completely. A really cool dog hike must-have. And I kind of had another mini meltdown. And be sure to watch all the way through because I have a special message for you at the end. Come on, let's go. This is nice. One of the few things I can do and take my dogs. I have to make a confession. All along this walk, there are all these numbered sites, and they gave me a brochure, and you're supposed to read about each one. And I left it in the RV. So I'm shooting them, and I have no idea if I'm capturing what they're talking about. So that part's gonna be pretty funny. Or maybe I'm gonna surprise all of us and actually have done an excellent job. Can't wait to actually read the brochure and find out. Getting out of breath. We are climbing. Ow! Every couple steps I scream in pain. I thought there was a rock in my shoe. I'll be the first to admit that I can be a little dramatic. I decided to look at the sole. Look at that. There's a freaking screw in my shoe. How am I gonna get out of my shoe? Keys. That worked. Look at this. I have no idea how I stepped on that, but now we can continue and I won't be screaming every 5 steps. Hey Shelby, are we there yet? Thought I would take a minute and show you this cool little contraption I have when I hike with the dogs. It's a little water bottle. Have you ever seen these things? I'll show you how they work. My hands are arthritic. I need 2 hands. Hold on. So here's hoping you get this. So you, watch out guys, you squeeze it with 2 hands. The water comes up into the bowl. I'm trying to show you how it works, but I only have 2 hands. Let's see if you get this. So you squeeze, water comes, dog drinks. And if you don't have arthritic hands like me, you could probably just use 1 hand. You want some too, Wesley? Here you go, sweetie. This is supposed to be a 20-minute walk at a leisurely pace. All right, let's keep going. We're climbing a volcano. Come on, Slowpoke. I think we're here. None shall pass. Looks like we made it. Want to see what a volcano crater looks like? Check this out. Over the side, Shelby. Seems a little crazy, but look at this. You could just go right off the edge. There are no fence, guardrails, or anything of any such thing. You could go down in the bottom of the volcano by accident. Careful, Shelby. So 15 minutes ago, we were looking down into a crater of an extinct volcano. Now we're going the other extreme. We're going to the ice cave. Oh God. All right. Hold on to the rail. We're going down. Oh God, you guys. Anxiety time. You guys, I hate doing stuff like this. And I'd feel better if there were other people, but there's not. So we're going to do this together. You gotta understand, for the average Joe, no flippin' big deal. For me and my anxiety and all my what ifs, and of course, you know, I'm sure there's monsters down there. Oh my God. Okay, let's go. I'm holding on to the handrail. Okay. 1, oh my God. 2, 3, 4. Okay. First 23 steps. That's one way I try to manage my anxiety, is I count. I count minutes, seconds when I go over bridges. I hate going over big, long bridges. Okay. Oh God. I'm doing this for you guys. The good news is, look, somebody knows I'm down here. That's gonna make me feel a little bit better, right? It's so dark down there. Okay, 1. I'm holding on. 2, 3. Ooh, you can feel the blast of coolness. You sure this isn't enough for you guys? You know, I could just hit the zoom and you could see it. Okay. Here we go. Okay, I love you guys. 13, 14, woo, it's getting really cold. I think they said it was 30 degrees or something when you stand there. Oh my God, you guys, it's really scaring me by myself. Okay, I'm going. 29, 30, 31. Okay, we're almost there. Oh, I really wish there were other people here. Oh God. Okay, here, I'm gonna show it to you, okay? Look. Okay. 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 I'm gonna zoom for you. Oh God. You guys, you have no idea how much this freaks me out. All right. Last few stairs. Here we go. Oh, you guys. Well, if I die or the monsters get me, at least it'll be captured. Oh, it won't be captured. Well, it'll be captured on the camera. Somebody will have to find the camera. Okay. Oh, God. Okay, here we go. Ah. Okay. We're going to do this. We're going to do this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Here's 9. Okay. I don't know what 9 is, but I'm just taking a picture. We'll figure it out afterwards. 12, 13. Can you believe this? Walking over here is so scary to me. Okay. Okay, here, I'm gonna show you. This is what I walked all the way down here to show you. Ooh, pretty ice cave. Pretty ice. pretty ice cave. Oh, look, ice melting over there looks like my freezer. Okay, 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 okay. All right, okay, all right, it traps frigid air. Okay, can I tell you that I am so frightened and I am so scared that the cold, I don't even feel cold. I actually feel like normal. Okay, 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 we did it. We did it. All right, hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, okay. Oh, we did it. We did it. Can we leave now? Oh my God, I am so done. I want to go back and be with my dogs. Okay, bye. I mean, let's go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Combination of high altitude, being out of shape, climbing stairs, and being having a total anxiety attack. This is what it looks like. It may not be pretty, but it's authentic. You know, I want you to know one of the reasons why I'm doing this and why I'm filming this and showing you really like me and my anxiety is to show you that, you know, I have been a full-time solo RVer for almost 2 years and I love it. And I wouldn't want to do anything else. I wouldn't want to live any other way. And I want you to see how afraid I get of certain things. And I want you to know that if I can RV and love it and be this afraid of going down into an ice cave or breaking down on a road in a dead zone, in a dead cell zone, or like any of the other of multitudes of things that have happened on the road, I want you to know and you rest assured that you can do it too. Because I'm telling you, there's not many other people who are as big as a friggin' chicken as I am and gets as scared and thrown into anxiety as easily as I do. And yet, I love, love, love being a full-time RVer. Yeah, that was a lot of walking. Hey, I gotta get you guys t-shirts that say you climbed to the top of the volcano.